Hello guys, this is Satyam Sinha, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to sorting out your URL, maybe any URL you like, using some kind of API. So for that we need to first install one thing which is PySortners. Okay, this is the library which we need in order to sort out our URL. You can sort out any URL. Okay, so not a big deal. So for that you need to first install that. Okay, installation is quite simple. Just copy this line and paste it into command prompt. It is going to install that. I know if you are watching this video at this level, then I know you can do that, but if still you get stuck, then you can simply go to your command prompt like here and paste that right here, and it's going to install that for you. That's not a big deal. I'm sure that you can do that. Import, then you're going to import stuff like PySortners. After that, we are going to make a class object of PySortner. So PySortners dot sortner. Okay, this is our object. So let's say our sorted URL. So sorted URL will be something like s dot. Now what are available? We have tiny URL. This is just the API. You can find many more in their website also. So just under that you can simply paste any of your website. I'm going to use their website only for doing that. Just copy that and paste that right here. Now we are just going to print out our shortened URL. Print shortened URL, and after that we can simply run our application. So you can simply go here, and it is shortener object is not callable. uh, as dot tinyurl. Oh sorry, I forgot something. Here you have to use sort. Okay, because you are sorting this, so little bit mistake I have. So make sure you use sort right here. So now you can see this is your tiny URL. If you just click on this link, it is going to open that same URL which you can see right here. It will take some time, and now you can see our URL. It is same as that. And now if let's say you want to get back original URL, then you can simply use this particular URL. Simply just select that and copy that, and if you just put it right here, and instead of this sort we want to say something like expand, and if you just save that, and instead of sorted we are just getting back our normal URL. So by convention we should remove sorted, and if we run that, saving this and run that, uh, now you can see our original website is retained. So hope you like this video. And one more thing that I'm going to address right here is, if you go to their website, and this is right here, and in this you can see they have a lot of API out there. I mean there's not only one, that tinyurl.com, they have git.io, tiny.cc. There's a lot they have provided us, so you can use any one of them. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you liked it, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. In case if you're watching this on Instagram, do follow me there. I post regular content, such awesome tips and tricks on every language out there for free. And you can also reach me on Instagram by your problem, whatever problem you're facing in any coding. I'm going to help you out if possible for me. So that's it for now. See you soon in our next video.